sign in. Now when you sign in, you will see this page. Now here we have to click on websites. Click on websites and here you will see your domain name. So if you remember, we have registered this one nayarshikh.com. So whatever domain name you have registered, you will see that domain name over here. Now even if you have not registered the domain name, even if you have selected that option, I already have a domain name, still you will see this domain name over here. And besides that and below that domain name, you will see this button, Site Tools. Click on that button. Now first of all, here there can be two scenarios. First of all, you have registered a new domain name with Siteground, so that is amazing. And the second scenario that can be, you have already registered a domain name somewhere else on Godaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains or some other website. So first of all, if you have registered your website outside Siteground, you have to connect that domain name with Siteground. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, go to Godaddy or any website wherever you have registered your domain name. Sign in to Godaddy. Now here you will see all the different domain names that you have registered. Now suppose if you want to use privilegebags.com or whatever domain name with Siteground, select that domain, and besides every single domain, you will see this button, DNS button or DNS link. Click on that link. Now it will show you your name servers. Click on change and delete both these name servers. Now come back to your Siteground cPanel, scroll down. You will see your personal name servers over here. Copy name server number 1, paste it under line 1, copy name server number 2 and paste it under line 2 and click on save.